How to use Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to use your Instagram. So in this video I'll be showing you some basic steps and guides on how you can actually use Instagram. So first of all, what you'll have to do is, to begin with, you'll need to install the application from your Google Play Store or App Store. So if you're using Android, then you'll need to go to Google Play Store. While you're on this page, go ahead and tap the search tab right on top, type in Instagram. After that, you'll be able to see this particular icon. So if you want to install the application, then tap the install button. In my case, I've already installed the application. So after you're done installing the application, next thing is you'll need to create an account. So once you're done installing the application, click the open button, and as soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see login or sign up. If you already have an account, then tap the login button and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you'll be asked to select a username first of all, and once you're done selecting a username, tap the next button. After that, it's gonna ask you to continue with all of these and tap the create password button, which is right at the bottom. Now that you're creating an account, it's mandatory for you to create a password as well. So once you're done creating your password, you'll be taken to the home page where you'll be asked to select a bio and follow a list of contact and all that. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and select the users or the contact that you know or feels familiar to you, and you can just go ahead and add them to your Instagram as well. Once you're done creating an account, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. See, right on top there is the messenger icon, so that indicates a DM features. What happens is that whenever somebody texts you or replies to your story and all that, particular messages will be stored right over here. For example, let's say that if you want to post a story, then what you need to do is you can just go ahead and tap your story from the top, and after that you can just take a picture maybe, or you can select it from the gallery, and once you've done that, tap the next button or tap on your story. Once you do that, the story will be added to your Instagram. And if you also want to share the particular photos or content with your friends, then you can just go ahead and tap the arrow icon located right over here, and once you've done that, you can select the particular contact to whom you actually want to share it and tap the send button. Once you've done that, the particular message has been sent. And similarly, if you like the particular content, then you can just tap the heart button right over here, or you can just tap on the center, right? And if you also want to comment it on somebody else's post, then you can tap the comment icon right over here and type in the comment whatsoever and tap the post button. Once you've done that, the comment has been posted. And similarly, there are multiple features on using Instagram. So if you see right on top, there's a heart icon once again. So all of your activity or notification will be stored right over here. So if somebody has followed you, you'll be notified right over here. And if you also want to follow some content, and if you also want to follow some other users, then all you have to do is just tap the search icon located right at the bottom, and you can just go ahead and tap on the search icon, and you can select the particular contact to whom you actually want to follow. So you can go ahead and tap the follow button. As soon as you do that, the particular user will be followed, and that's how you can follow contact on your Instagram. So these were some of the basic features on using Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.